friends, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing very well wherever you are. Today I am sharing with you some makeup essential items for my teenager. Actually, I don't wear so much makeup, and even if what I do, I didn't want to share my makeup products with my daughter. And now my daughter is in that age, in that situation, and when she has to groom herself, she has to go for the presentations, go for the seminars, or from group activities. And in this age, girls want to experiment with themselves with the makeup things. So I especially went to the store and I've asked a consultant what type of makeup products my teenage daughter should buy, because I don't have any guidance here as such, and I didn't even know, I was not sure of myself. So I prefer to ask someone expertise that what type of products should I buy. So then I thought that I will also share this information with you, that for my teenage daughter, like a 14 years daughter, around, she's right now 13 and a half, and what type of products she will be using. My daughter is just a beginner, so I didn't want to buy very expensive products for her. At the same time, I didn't want to buy low quality products for her. So the consultant gave her best advice, and according to her, the best product will be Catrice. I could also buy Essence brand foundation, but according to her skin color, the foundation was not available according to her skin type. So we had to buy this Catrice brand. It is a bit more expensive than Essence, but it is also of a good quality, and it is good. It is matte type, and every skin has its own foundation. So her foundation will not be very good for my skin type, and my foundation will not be very good for her skin type. So this is like this, and our skin type foundation is very difficult to find here, because people normally have very light skin tone, and it is very difficult to find this type of foundation which suits our this. But my daughter is very happy with this product, and she also didn't want to buy too loud makeup. She was looking for very light makeup which can be appropriate for her age. So this is a foundation which I bought. It is a number 60, and it is also very good. It has second skin effect, so I really like. She really liked it. So for skin colors, and also she has some acne problem, so we also bought some concealer for her, and it is waterproof concealer. It is also very good quality. It is number 48, again according to her skin type, and it is also the same color as foundation. I'm just showing it to you on my hand. How does it look? This is the first time I'm showing my makeup product, so I'm not very sure how to do it. I'm just doing my best. I hope if you are not clear of anything, then please tell me in the comment box. It is liquid camouflage high coverage concealer, and again it is of the same brand, Catrice, same as a foundation. So this is the blush which I bought. This is from Essence brand. As you can maybe see from this box, I bought only one shade, because again she doesn't need so many colors, and this will be the very good blush for her. This is how it looks, and she recommended this, and she's also again very happy. It is not very loud, and when she applies it, she applies very lightly. And this little bit makeup is a requirement here when you go for a job interview or for internship or for something. Some type of makeup is always required. This is the eyeshadow palette from Essence, nude edition. This is also very light colors for her eyeshadows, and as you can see, in the party she can use some glittery, some gold or something, and in day-to-day life she can use very light colors, and she's again very happy. She doesn't apply very heavy makeup, but it is good to give your child a little bit opportunity to play with the makeup. So this is the mascara. This is again a maximum definition volume mascara from Essence only. Again, it is not so expensive, and it is very light. It is it is very light. This doesn't give the eyeshadow too much volume. It is thin mascara, and it is good. Doesn't look too heavy on a small girl face. This is the eyebrow designer, and because she has thick eyebrows like me, so this will be the eyebrow designer for her, and it is also good. Like, it has eye comb. Also, it is again from Essence. All these items, actually the whole haul I will show you. I bought it only for 27 euro. This is a lip gloss. Again, I have chosen a very light color for her. This will be this. Look, you can see this. It is so a light color. It is not even visible. This is a lip gloss which I bought for her, and you can see this is the color of it. It is again from Essence, and it is Shine Shine Wet Look lip gloss. She didn't want to use lipstick as such. Such lip gloss will be very good for her. Doesn't look too loud, and still her face looks a bit better, brighter with this lip gloss. So I bought very minimalistic things. I didn't buy too much for her because at the beginner level she doesn't need too much. This is the makeup, this brush which I bought for her, makeup sponge, and it is washable. In warm water we can wash it. And this is from Body and Soul brand. It is it is also not very expensive. It was, I think, only for €2. And this one is her eyeshadow brush. For eyeshadows she needed one brush, and this is again one brush which she needed. This is for rouge. For blush she can use this one. And I think this is the makeup consultant told me that this is all what I need for her, and I'm very happy. Whole haul, it was actually around 28-29 euro, and I hope it will be useful for you, because people who have teenage daughters at home, they're always confused what to buy for them. I hope you found this makeup haul, useful, because people who have teenage daughters like me, I was very confused what to buy for her to make her happy. And kids' happiness is very important. It's very important that they don't feel deprived. And she didn't also want to do too loud makeup, but at the same time she wanted to start because her all classmates are into this, and she also doesn't want it to be left out. So I did it, and I hope you found it useful. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself and stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye bye.